What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to add the background video into your WordPress login page. So how to customize your page in order to have a background video. This is what you're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to Search Plugins field, you're going to be able to find an empty field, click and type Login Press, okay? Just like this. Login Press. Login Press, WP Login. Custom login page customizer. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. And this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list. A list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Now, all you have to do is review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again. Hover a mouse over login press and click on customizer, okay? Once right here, you're gonna be able to see the options from the login page, okay? Login press. And here is one example of the customized login page. We made this into a previous video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here. But let's explore the background options, just like this. If you scroll down, you're gonna be able to find Enable Background Video. Click into this little switcher to set it as on. We're gonna select a video from YouTube and we're gonna need the ID of the video, okay? What is the ID? It's the last contents of the video, just like this, okay? After the equal symbol that all the YouTube videos have, we have the ID. I'm gonna enter this ID, just like this. Wait a moment. If the plugin shows that this is the wrong ID of the video, nothing to worry, okay? It's normal. All you have to do is hit the publish button, update the page, just click on F5 on your keyboard or click into this link right here. Be able to see your background video running under your WordPress login page into a simple, easy and very effective method. And of course, when you have this page into the full background, you're gonna be able to see the video better, okay? Simple, easy, and of course, the video autoplays. And it is. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.